Good evening. I am Héctor Andrés Mateus Moreno. That might the video of my experience. I might visit to Chichen Itza. My visit to Chichen Itza. Therefore, I am with my girlfriend on the noise what I like break. Her trace in the peoples are very authentic to tourists. And this photo was in the transport and also its port. And they would in the hotel were us in the condition. And we had to wear white clothes. I am told of the pyramid. And from her the is spectacular wake. I am seeing the outside of Mexico. In the flow of tranquility, it's already guiding and I am go hotter. I hope